This is my third day of riding Onewheel. I'm riding on a tennis and basketball court near my home. My dad recommended this place because it's easier for me to ride and practice on a flat surface. When I was turning on my Onewheel, I could not clearly see the blue was on because the sun was too bright. So I looked at the front light and it was on. I originally thought the court would be less crowded, but there are a few people, and make sure you are careful with people around. A couple of people were playing basketball even though there's no ring or net on the pole. And oops, almost got hit by the ball. This little toddler is playing tennis, and it's so cute, but I have to make sure not to go too close because I can bump into this kid. I'm going to show you what you should definitely practice on your Onewheel. Rocking back and forth helps you get used to the Onewheel. You will learn how to reduce your speed and stop properly. Make sure you bend your knees and it will help you better control your balance. You may already know or seen from my previous video, this is how you dismount from your Onewheel. By lifting your ankle on your front side. It's also important to learn how to jump off. Sometimes you don't have enough balance to dismount. In this case, jumping off from the Onewheel is handy. Make sure your Onewheel is completely stopped and your 2 feet have to jump off at the same time. Otherwise, you'll get hurt.
What is the challenge?
My dad gave me a challenge to ride in a square on my Onewheel.
Let's do the challenge.
It made all the corners, but I slipped at the end. I wanted to do it again with better stop.
Okay, one more time. Let's try and do it.
Let's fast forward. Ta-da! Now I can turn, ride longer, hop off the board with confidence. I wanted to share my experience with Onewheel for kids. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.